Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to ship a Depop orders. So there's multiple ways. You can either, use a Depop's shipping labels or arrange shipping independently, basically ensuring, the item is securely packaged and the buyer's address is clearly visible. That's what matters the most. Now, if you are using Depop shipping labels, this is actually recommended. Just go ahead and print a label. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So here, you go to your all sold items, select the relevant transaction, and you will see your sales receipt and the option is to view your sales label. Click on that and then click on print. Okay, you can do that directly from the app as well or via email. And then you just package the item, right? Securely package it, prevent damage during transit, and attach the label. Ensure the shipping label is securely taped to the package. And then you just need to go ahead and drop this off or arrange pickup. You can either drop off the package at a local depot or arrange for a courier collection. And if you're going with independent shipping, of course, you need to calculate the shipping costs, research shipping options costs based on the item's weight, size, destination, package the item, right? Make sure it's secure, indicate the buyer's address clearly on the package. You can, of course, purchase a shipping label, easily purchase them, go to a post office or use a shipping service like USPS, to purchase a shipping label, pay for the postage, and you're basically done. And once the package is shipped, provide the buyer with the tracking information, okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.